Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hanif bin Saipubari. My number matric is AA210845. Now we want to present about project microcontroller DAE 3Q203. Introduction. In introduction, we want to know the component that we use for this project. First component we use non-MCU 1.0. It is a drivers to receive input and the device to send the output. Input received by sensor and the output sent to the device. Secondly, we use ultrasonic sensor. It is a instrument that measure the distance to an object using ultrasonic sound of wave. This sensor is our device to get the input for this project. Thirdly, we use wire female to male or male to male. It is like a jumper wire to connect the input to device, input to drivers or from drivers to device. The component is to send the signal to the device or send the output to device. Lastly, we use servo motor. It is the output receiver. Servo motor is to convert the control signal of the controller into the relational angular displacement or angular velocity of the motor output shaft. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Din Syakimi Ghazali. My matric number is AA211400. So I will present to you about the function of this product. The purpose of this project is to build an automatic gate, which is when someone or something comes close to the ultrasonic sensor, it will send the signal to the servo motor, which then opens the gate automatically.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fitri Hakimi bin Muhammad Zahrizan and my matric numbers is AA212404. So I will continue our group presentation. So as you guys can see on the slide, it is our prototype, and on our prototype we use ESP8566 and shield and buzzer, and next one is ultrasonic, and for the last one we use servo motor. So for the ESP8566 and shield, we connected it on laptop. Next, for the buzzer, we connect it on pin number 0, and for ultrasonic, we connected it on pin number 6 and 7, and for the last one, servo motor, we connected it on pin number 2. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good evening. My name is Muhammad Azidin bin Tauhid. My matric number is AA210547. So today I will demonstrate my prototype for microcontroller subject. My team make a door unit controller, automatic, which servo, buzzer, ultrasonic sensor and ESP8299. 8266. As you can see, this one is ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, buzzer and ESP8266. So I have coding the ESP8266 to get a data from the ultrasonic sensor and send it to the blink. And I also put a certain condition using a if-else statement to control the servo motor. So if the object near the ultrasonic sensor or the object is less than 25 cm from the ultrasonic sensor, it will turn on the buzzer and also the servo motor. So this is the simulation. Other than that, if you can see the dashboard right now, we have the switch. and the servo switch is for control the servo motor, even though there is nothing less than 25 cm in ultrasonic sensor. So as you can see, if I click the servo switch, the servo will also turn. So this is the feature security for the system. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening everyone. My name is Muhammad Harif Farhan Bioma Azizan. My metric number is AA21400806. For today, I will present about the data from dashboard. For the graph given, if we look at the time, which is 4:50 p.m., the graph are increasing until it will constant until the graph suddenly decrease before the 5:20 p.m. and the graph suddenly increase and decrease after the 5:20 p.m. and then it increase and then it then inconsistently after it passed 5:30 p.m. and now after 5:30 p.m. the graph suddenly decrease down and then upwardly before it reach the time, which is 5:40 p.m. and after that the graph will decrease just sharply after the 5:40 p.m. That's all.
Okay, now I will continue this presentation. Okay, firstly, my name is Muhammad Harid Nuruddin bin Abu Zalani. My metric number is AA210021. Okay, now I will conclude the advantage or the importance of IoT application. Okay, although IoT has quite a few disadvantages, its advantages of saving the consumer time and money can be ignored. So, time isn't far when the Internet of Things will be commonly seen in both households and companies. Efforts will have to be made to find ways to combat its disadvantages. These are just a few benefits of Internet of Things. It is evident that it opens a wide array of possibilities to enhance the quality of life in all aspects. But it is essential that we tap on the right spot to make this technology work the best for us. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for listening our presentation.